Ndewo kekime. Okay, so today I ga-eme maka Igbo books. Igbo books, okay? So humble Ijoma onye na-ewetara gị nkuzi Igbo, okay? So the other day mere live ajụrụ maka Igbo books. So these are a few I'm going to be discussing, okay? Igbo books, and quite a number of them on Amazon. You know that? So I think you begin with kids books. Kids book them maka beginners as well, because honey they are word by word or simple sentences. Okay, so kids and beginners book. Nala, no. So anyway, the first one, Igbo Kids Coloring Book, is by Yvonne Choma Banefo. Yvonne is a kids Igbo writer on a lot of books. So got a dictionary that you'll see here. Then there's the second one, the alphabet book by Chimi Bugu. So Chimi Nakuzibo here on YouTube. Okay. And Ijoma Emeka and Ijoma Okoli as well. They're on YouTube. Okay. So these are more books for beginners. A lot of them stories. So Gini Kosaneme, what is the squirrel doing? Am I small? Nduani Wewaire. Okay. And a couple of these books are from Yvonne again, Banefo. And then there's Chimibugu's book, Nduani. Am I Small? Adimobere is by Philip Winterberg. Wewaire is by Urena Onu Ebu. And Osita Osinri, Osita the Chef is by Yvonne Banefo. Okay, very good for beginners. Okay, and these are a few books on grammar and dictionary. Kwezono is a beginner's guide to grammar. Igbo linguistics, okay, that one I have it by Godsuna Chebima. Or dig in Amazon. If you want it, just email me. Chinemerem was the Kwezono on Amazon, okay. Okowoku Igbo Makabo dictionary maka Yvonne Dere Yvonne Banefo. Again, want on Amazon, okay, and Omaramanku when I have it. Okay, so these are a few books I've got for you. You can get the link for these books on the description, okay, for you how you can get them. And I'm inviting you to join me for the Igbo Speakers Bootcamp that starts this Thursday, okay. This is for beginners and lower intermediates, okay. So if you complete beginner, the Igbo Speakers Bootcamp for you. If you can understand Igbo but you're not speaking it, the Igbo Speakers Bootcamp is for you because it's focused on speaking, okay. And I've got some bonuses for you. The Igbo Speakers Bootcamp is for 12 weeks. That's 3 months. However, I have this couple of bonuses when you join. You get extra support for 6 months. So even when the bootcamp ends, I'll be supporting you for 6 months through monthly calls. The Igbo Speakers Bootcamp itself is weekly calls, okay? But you get additional support after via monthly calls. Yeah, okay. You also get a children's book from me once a month for 3 months of the bootcamp, okay? Starting from April. Enola, to join the bootcamp, again, the link is in the description.